Hi everyone. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to draw this basic sacral geometry design. In my next drawing I'm probably going to make it a bit more complicated than this. But yeah, this tutorial will be teaching just this basic design. It's up to you if you want to add to it or not. So you don't really need to know the exact center of the page, but that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to measure out the center of the page. And yeah, if you don't know how to do that, the way I do it basically is I measure the center from both the top and bottom, and then I just match up those points, and I do the same like so. Okay, so start by drawing a circle in the center of your page. Up to you what size you want to do it. Just make sure you've got room to do the seed of life around it. So yeah, I should have just enough room. And then draw another circle from the top point where the line and the circle meet. And then from here, we are going to connect these 2 points and draw a line through the center. And then place your compass point in the center line where that new line meets. And open your compass to the edge of the top circle. And draw a little circle. And draw another small circle within the center of the middle circle. And then here, we connect these 2 points. And place your compass point in the middle. And open it up to the top edge of that center circle. And draw another circle. And this is our crescent moon. Just there. And now we're going to once again find the measurement of the original circle that we drew. And we're going to place our compass point right there. And this is where we draw the seed of life. Making our way all around the original circle. Eek. I can tell that this is moving. I need to tighten it up. Oh well. Yeah, mine's not perfect, sorry. I will do though. So next we're going to see how there's that center flower. We want to draw lines straight through those petals. Just like we have one right there through the center. So connecting that point to that point. And draw the line all the way to the outer edges of those two circles. Do the same here. Next, we're going to draw a line from this point to that point. And do the same from this point to that point. And then we're going to grab our compass again, make sure that it's still the same size as the original circle, and place the point just there, the edge of the inner circle, where it meets that line. And we're going to draw a little mark right there. And then we're going to take our compass back to the center point of the circle and open it up until the pencil meets that new point, and draw a circle. Next, we're going to grab a lead pencil and we're going to start from the outer edge of the center circle. We're going to draw a curve like so, to that point that we just drew, and then take the arc the other way around. We're drawing the petals. Do this around the entire circle. You may just want to go straight in with a pen. It's totally up to you. So orange is our main color for this design, the Sacral Chakra. But it's up to you if you want to go over the main lines with pen or not. I mean with a black pen or an orange pen. I was just saying to my sisters today how nice it is to finally be drawing again. It's been such a long time. Finally have the space for it now. And yeah, I've tried different things on this channel, but it's always these art tutorials that seem to do best. So it's about time I listen to that feedback. I'll still do the occasional vlog, but I really just want to focus on creating good art tutorials for you all. Sacred geometry is so great for our mental health. So that's the overall flower. I think I will end up using the other lines that I created just to make this a little bit more interesting today. So there you have it, folks. Just a simple example of how you can change a very simple design into something a little bit more interesting just by using your creativity. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you give it a go, and yeah, give it a like, and please subscribe if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more videos like it. See you in the next one.